Digital libraries in a nutshell, presented by Olam Parne, demo presentation. Outline, the vision, definitions, perspective, research production, service, collections, how to keep current, the visions. Anyone, anywhere will be able to easily locate and use any image, text, database, or other types of digital resources obtained in sophisticated way or in association with other related objects. The only requirement is to access to the internet, authorization or payment if required. Definition part 1. Electronic information is stored and accessed by electronic devices. Digital information is stored and accessed by computers and electronic devices. Virtual in essence rather than in actual fact. Definition part 2. From the Association of Research Libraries, definition is not a single entity, require technology to link the resources of many, linkage or transparent to the user. Collections are not limited to documents, but input items that are exclusively in digital format. Perspective research perspective. Goal to further knowledge, participants, computer science, library and information science professional, faculty, a few members, librarians. Example, US Digital Library Initiative. Simple research issues. Advanced search technique. Example, query by image content. Federation of large disparate and distance collections. Complex digital object behavior, GS, overlays, moving image, navigation, etc. Perspective productions. Production perspective. Goal to create digital library collections and services. Participants, librarians, many large research libraries, but not exclusively. Example, Library of Congress, e-lib programs, Digital Library Federation. Production issues. Services, collection. Within collection, we have to go for selecting documents, acquiring, organizing, and providing access to the documents and preservation. Services. The challenges provided service when and where they are needed. Example, guide to internet resources, librarians, kids click, ad hoc based references, selecting digital materials. For selecting digital materials, the process is how do you discover what is available in digital formats? How can you evaluate the quality of resources? How can cost effectiveness be determined? Consideration. Purchase or license agreement, funding sources, infrastructure requirement, staff time to mount and maintain. Selecting materials to digitalize. Focus on unique materials that are likely to have protein stress. Build on the strength. Considering infrastructure requirement. Considering technical limitations. Acquiring digital collections involved the digital equation. New procedures and workflow are required. Tab loading, scanning, formatting, and translation of the documents. Acquiring non-digital collections. Digitalization methods are scanner, digital camera, photo CD. Additional steps for text conversion, optical character recognition, or rekeying. Acquiring image file format. Archival versions, high resolution. Online versions, preview, full and high. Up and coming. Acquiring text file format. Original, MS Word, Adobe, PageMaker, etc. Adobe, plain text, HTML, HTML, organizing, naming and addressing of the documents. Object naming. Object should be named in a fashion that promotes longevity. Example, stay away from any kind of implied meaning. Object addressing, URL, DOI, ARKs, etc. Organizing metadata. Structured description of an object or collection of objects. Three basic types of description is descriptive, administrative, and structural. Organizing metadata, appropriate standard or draft standards, collection level, item level, providing access to the documents. How can we make our resources easily available to a diversity of users within a multiplicity of purpose? How can we integrate it in digital resources? How can we in, in, incorporate with the other digital collections? Preservations. Preserving digital materials, except presentation method, acid-free paper, microfilm, photographic reproductions. The digital preservation strategy are sorting, repress, and migrating. The single most important aspect is institutional commitment. How to keep current? Electronic discussions, publications,